everybody. So I had a mental breakdown during my exam season and I decided to buy some tickets to London. The best types of mental breakdowns, if you ask me. But yeah, I'm here for a few days and trying to relax, spend time with my friend and just take a break because the new semester already started, but I just don't have the energy. Good morning. So today is going to be hopefully a more productive day than yesterday. I'm going to go to Buckingham Palace. I don't know exactly where it is. Well, I do, but I'm not gonna check a map to see. I'm just gonna be taking a stroll and hopefully end up where I want to end up. But yeah, let me just show you something real quick. So I basically left my friend at the library and ended up near the Royal Court of Justice, which is pretty nice. I actually saw the Law Society or something regarding that, which is fun. Seeing as I'm currently skipping classes the whole week to just stroll around London. But yeah, life is good. I hope you'll enjoy this vlog with me. It's going to be a little bit more chaotic than usual because I don't have any plans, to be sincere. I just want to enjoy life, take a breath of fresh air and not care about anything. Decided after all to take the bus because there's this combination of rain and snow and it's pretty windy, so I just decided to keep warm and just go to Buckingham Palace with the bus. I also get to see another perspective of the city, so it's very pretty. And I have to say, I like the rain. Like London and rain do very well together, so I don't mind it. And now, oh, let me show you where I'm at.
Trafalgar Square.
Yeah, so it's pretty nice to see everything from a new and beautiful perspective. Oh, it's so good to just relax. I don't know, my other trips were more intense, I would say. I would try to, I don't like the reflection of my glasses. They would be very chaotic, not chaotic, but intense, yeah. And this time I'm just getting lost in the city, which is something I'm not usually doing. Actually don't have plans. I'm just going with the flow, meeting some friends later on. Vibing.
9 to Hammersmith bus station.
And tomorrow I'm going with my friend, the one I'm staying at, to her college. She studies at King's College, and I'm actually going to try and participate in a few seminars that she has because I want to see a different perspective I like the way they teach, and everything is very intriguing for me. Sorry for that, but yeah, life is good. Life is the way you make it, but I think I'm enjoying mine. Good morning! This is my very good friend Mara.
Hello, hello.
And she's been kind enough to...
And I'm hiding from the rain.
Oh yeah. But it's a nice type of rain, not the type that was yesterday, as I told you.
Yeah.
Like, I'll show you some footage with basically snow.
And then rain.
And then rain, and the snow again.
And never the sun.
Yeah. I mean, I like it, okay? I like it. It's a vibe.
It's good that you like it.
Yeah, at
That's
least.
important.
It's my vacation.
Yeah,
I'm
exactly.
supposed to enjoy it. Yeah, but now we're at a photo shoot because I wanted to take some photos.
A very
And-
successful one because the model is great.
You're too kind. But after this, we're going to go to her. Can I call it the university? It's a university, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, to her university. And I'm going to try to go to one of her classes. Hopefully, nobody will kick me out.
No, I don't think so.
And yeah, after that, I'm just gonna go visit some more stuff. But I'll let you guys know. Bye! Stopped raining, which is absolutely amazing. I'm already sick. I don't want to aggravate the whole thing, but I'm currently going to the Portobello market. Hopefully it's open, but I've heard that there's quite a few markets around London, and I just decided to try and visit one of them. It's pretty weird. I don't know exactly where it is, somewhere around here, but I'm excited. Mara told me about these very colorful houses, and you've seen like some of them because I've been seeing random ones and filming them, but they're supposed to be like this very bright pastel colored houses, and I've been trying to search for them for the past, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes because I've also been wandering around, and I can't. I just went the wrong direction. It started raining. Good thing I have an umbrella. But I don't know how well it translates on the camera, but it's really raining, like quite a lot. But I've reached the conclusion that I love rain. I absolutely adore rain, but in London. So I've decided to take a half an hour walk towards Kensington Palace and the park that is there. I forgot its name. And then try to go to the Natural History Museum. We'll see if I regret my choice. Still thinking whether or not I should take the subway. I like traveling, like I like walking. It's hard to see, but look how pretty it is. So I've reached Hyde Park and I know it's huge, so I'm not gonna even try to visit it all. I'm just gonna stroll around, try to get near Kensington because from what I've heard it's under renovation, so we can't really see it. But there's supposed to be an Albert Memorial, and then I think I already see it, like some kind of lake of some sort. And it stopped raining, which is marvelous. Look how pretty. I remember how I was in Sweden and I was wondering how it would be to go somewhere by myself. And of course, this trip isn't truly by myself because I have my friends here and I came to visit them. But the majority of my days are spent alone, just me in the city. And it feels like it's a me trip, just strictly that. It's so good. I haven't had such a relaxing time in a long time. I'm just happy. I'm finally just happy. So it's the last day in London and we came to Tower Bridge and it's sunny. Almost.
Let's not be too positive. Realism.
I mean, yeah, but no.
You said it was sunny and now it already disappeared.
No, I mean, there's a hint.
Okay, yeah, fine. There is light.
Small change of plans. We decided to visit Tower Bridge and actually see what's here, and it's a lot of fun. Oh, but also there's a lot of people.
Are you excited? I'm very excited. It's still an interactive kind of, not museum, but
Weird.
Yeah. This is something very common in any kind of touristic attraction or museum in the UK. They always display some kind of movie about the history and technical stuff, and it's kind of nice that they also have like a lot of nice design around.
Yeah, I need to show you around. Lots of fun.
Yeah. It
Lots of
seems
fun.
alive. This is what they try to do, to make it seem alive.
Oh, I'm so happy we got to do this. Oh wow. I'm gonna show you guys around.